In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Firefox profile to a new computer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up Firefox. Now, once you've done that, in the URL section, type in about column profiles and then hit enter. And now what we can do here is, depending on how many profiles you got, so I've got 3 different profiles, I can go ahead and click on the root directory for all 3 of these. So what I need to do, so I'll start with this one here. I need to go ahead and click on the root directory and then click open folder. Now from here, we want to go ahead and copy all of this. So copy all of this, Control C or Control X, doesn't matter. And now from here on a USB drive, go ahead and paste that in and then do it for all of your profiles. And now on your new computer, go ahead and download Firefox from mozilla.org/Firefox and then open Firefox once, then close it. This creates a new default folder on the new PC. And then again on the new PC, open Firefox and type about.column profiles. Now under root directory for the new profile, click open folder. Then close Firefox completely, then delete all files in that folder and then copy all contacts from your old profile folder into this folder. Then from here, simply launch Firefox and then your bookmarks, password, history, extensions and settings should now appear as on the old PC.